tinamcneil.norwex independent consultant here. I hope that you all are having a great day so far. I wanted to show you guys our awesome hair turban. I just kind of want to show you how it works because sometimes when you get a product or you're not sure if you want a product, seeing it in action is the best way to do that. So obviously my hair is dry and I wish I could have demoed it live this morning when it was wet, but that just didn't quite work out for our family and our life right now. So I'm going to show you anyway just how to use it. It looks like this. It does come in blue and vanilla. Okay, and what you're gonna do, there's a button on here, and that button is always gonna go in the back, so on the back of your head. So imagine, I put this on right when honestly, before I even get out of the shower. I put my sopping wet hair right into it, and this has the ability to soak up, our microfiber. It soaks up a lot. It has the ability to soak up to 75% of the water in your hair within 10 minutes. So it's super absorbent, which is why I love it. You don't have water dripping down your back or onto your shirt. You don't have a towel pulling your head back, which is what I used to try to do, and it would always ultimately fall off anyway. So what you will do is you will flip your head upside down, okay, and you're gonna put the button in the back, at kind of the back of your hairline. And again, when your hair is wet, it will just get inside the wrap really easily. And then what you're going to do is pull tight down on the sides, and you're going to pinch right here at the top of your forehead. That's going to keep it from sliding backward or anything crazy. And I have like a flyaway hair here because my hair is dry. Okay, so tuck that hair in, and you're going to pinch really tight, and then you're just going to twist, okay, at the top of your head. And then you're going to find this loop. You never want to lose this little white loop here, but this loop is what you will then bring over your head, and you're going to connect it to the back where that button is, okay? And so that is what is going to keep that nice and tight. And I'm going to pop my ears out because I just don't like my ears being pulled tight down in there. But this is on so well, okay? It stays put. As you can see, top of my head, it's not pulling anything. It's really comfortable. It's really soft. This hair wrap is going to work on all types of hair. So I have very fine, thin hair, but I have a lot of it, and it really does hold a lot of moisture. So blow drying does still take a long time for me. And this has really decreased the amount of time it takes me to blow dry my hair. A lot of times, especially when I'm not leaving the house as much, I don't even blow dry it. This really air dries. After I take the wrap off, it's almost all the way dry already, and I just let it air dry the rest of the way. But it works on curly hair, thick hair, long hair, short hair. It holds a whole lot. What else do I love about this? It's not pulling my neck back. So I'll usually put on moisturizer, do any makeup routine. Sometimes the dog has to go outside or the kids need something, so I'm running around, and this just keeps everything drying. And super easy to wear. You can get dressed with this. It's not going to fall off when you pull a shirt over your head. I'm actually going to show you. I'm going to prove to you that it stays on, y'all. Are you ready for this? If I don't kick my dog, but okay, I'm doing a cartwheel. Are you ready? Okay, ready. Ta-da! You guys, it doesn't move. It's awesome. Also, it has our back lock in it, so it is not gonna stink. It's gonna dry really quickly. It's gonna prohibit the growth of mold, mildew, bacterial odor, and fungi. So I'll use this all week, probably 2 weeks usually. And to just take it out, I'll just hang it up by my loop or wherever. It's so awesome. I recommend everybody get one if you don't already have a hair wrap that you love and use.